The golden era of the desktop computer is being rewritten right now, and the pen is in Apple's hand. For decades, the Mac Mini was the quiet choice. The silver box you bought when you already had a monitor and just needed something that worked. But as we sit here in May 2026, the Mac Mini is no longer just a budget option. It has transformed into the most dangerous computer in Apple's lineup. We are standing at the edge of the M5 revolution, and the leaks coming out of Cupertino and the supply lines in Texas suggest that the 2026 Mac Mini isn't just an upgrade. It's a total takeover. Apple has just debuted the M5 Pro and M5 Max in the MacBook Pros, and the performance numbers are, quite frankly, terrifying for the competition. But the real story isn't the laptop, it's how that same Fusion architecture is about to be crammed into the tiny, redesigned chassis of the Mac Mini. If you've been thinking about buying an M4 Mac Mini, or if you're a creative professional eyeing a Mac Studio, you need to freeze. Don't touch that buy button, because the Mac Mini M5 is about to become a studio killer, and it's doing it with a starting price that shouldn't be possible for this much power. Today we are breaking down the May 2026 Mac Mini event. The M5 Silicon, the end of 256GB storage forever, and the secret reason why Apple is moving production to American soil. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the M5 Silicon. We've had M1, M2, M3, and M4. Each was an evolution, but M5 is a mutation. This is the first chip built on the Fusion architecture. Apple has finally perfected the art of stacking dies with nearly zero latency. For the Mac Mini, this means the standard M5 chip is now pushing 153GB per second of memory bandwidth. To put that in perspective for the US audience, that is more than double the bandwidth of the original M1. But the real shock and awe comes with the M5 Pro Mac Mini. Benchmarks are already leaking, and they show a 45% jump in GPU performance over the M4 Pro. Why? Because Apple has integrated a dedicated neural accelerator into every single computer block. This isn't just for faster Photoshop filters. We are talking about the ability to run massive AI models, Llama 3, Mistral, and Apple's own foundation models completely locally with zero lag. In 2026, your computer's value is measured by its AI tokens per second, and the M5 Pro Mac Mini is currently lapping the field. But there's a catch, and we have to talk about the supply chain drama. As of May 2026, Apple is facing a global DRAM shortage. AI data centers are eating up the world's supply of high-bandwidth memory. This is why Tim Cook recently hinted that the Mac Mini and Mac Studio might be in short supply for months. But there is a silver lining. Because of these shortages and the shift in manufacturing to Foxconn's new facility in Texas, Apple is reportedly killing the 256GB storage tier for good. The Mac Mini M5 will likely start with 512GB of base storage and 16GB of RAM as the absolute minimum. The price? This is where the rumors get heated. For years, the Mac Mini started at $599, but with 512GB of standard storage and the increased cost of the M5's 3nm fabrication, the leaks suggest a new starting price of $699.